Well, I think it's a fantastic program. You started this program. It's been very successful in Japan, and now obviously since last year, I've been lucky that I'm Singapore's ambassador.
You are ambassador.
Yeah. And funnily enough, I mean, in Singapore also we don't have lamb, but we have mutton, which is actually quite similar, either too expensive or too meaty, or again, part of the local flavor profile.
First of all, just eat the lamb without any...
Yeah, perception, bias, just try it, yes. Hey friends, we've had some good times. Cooking lamb with my wonderful mother.
Oh, alamak ini. Wow.
And then getting absolutely stuffed with some of Singapore's best chefs and their go-to lamb dishes. That's lamb-tastic, but I'm back. And this time, I'm going on a journey to see just how lamb reaches our plates and the people who make it all work. This is Lamb Me Your Recipe, a journey. I spoke to Benjamin from Meat and Livestock Australia to learn about how they want to spread the quality of Australian lamb right here in Singapore. But he said the best way for me to learn is on the ground through a butcher. And this is where I am today. Hi, Angharad, how are you?
Yeah, good, thank you. How are you?
We did a fist bump today. I
Yeah.
got a little bit of a quick tour on the way in, but I wanted to come and see you here first because I wanted to learn more about the journey of lamb from farm to table, and I thought you're
Sure.
the best person
Thanks.
to come and see. This is super cool already. It's right in front of us here. Can you tell me what we have?
So here is the shoulder, then we've got the middle, which is the rack, the breast, and then the loin.
Okay.
And then the whole leg, here is your shank,
Yep.
and then this area is your rump.
Okay, so carving 101.
Yeah?
Where do we start?
So we can start with the shoulder here.
Okay. So you need a very sharp knife.
Yeah. Go down the spine a bit.
How did you start to become a butcher?
So-
What's your story?
I studied agriculture at university in the UK. So then I decided I wanted to learn like the whole food process, which is how I got into working in a butcher's. So as long as you get through the seam, then you can just
Right.
pull it rather than having to use your knife, really.
Yes.
The other thing is you could leave the neck on the bone like that.
Yeah.
And then you've got like really nice bits.
Right, so that's the first kind of part.
Yeah.
We've got two more to go.
Yeah.
What's next?
As I said before, the breast, the rack is here, and then the loin.
How do you work with MLA?
So I've met up with them a few times when we were starting Bootle, so they link us up with farmers that share our values. So Farmer Colin sort of breeds from his lambs. He doesn't buy in stock from elsewhere, so he knows all the genetics, which is how you get this really good conformation, good fat covering, and you can just trust that he knows where his lambs are coming from. So
Wow.
through the meat, like this. There you go.
There you go. Wow, that's the sound.
Yeah. Then you use your knife. So I think most butchers would get it maybe like this, if
Yeah.
not already French trimmed. And then in terms of cut, I would probably avoid cuts like this because they're going to be your most expensive.
Okay.
So maybe you could go for the breast, the rib bones here.
Yes.
So it's a bit like your pork belly. It's been fun educating people, but
Yes.
it's quite a lot. I guess it makes your sales a bit harder if you have to then do the education point as well.
Right. Again, though, that's where we're here to help.
Yeah, exactly,
Everything
yeah.
you're doing now is actually for us as the
Yeah.
end consumer. Price point,
Exactly.
quality.
And then here you've got the rump. So this is the bit we're going to be cooking later.
Ah.
It comes like this, but usually if you have it in a restaurant, they get it as a square cut.
Yep.
So I just trim it up like, we'll cook
That's
the whole
super,
piece.
super neat.
Leg of lamb, I usually just keep on the bone.
Okay.
Or I can take it off the bone, butterfly it so it can be used for the barbecue.
And this is years and years of
Yeah,
experience.
I missed it.
There it is. It's like once you cut through that first layer, it butterflies itself almost.
Exactly,
Yeah.
yeah.
We've gone from the aircon room
To the hot kitchen.
to the hot kitchen. So What's the process here now?
So we're just going to sear the lamb off. So we'll put it fat side down
Okay,
first.
yep.
And then pop it in the oven just for like 4 minutes.
Okay, so it's like a dual cooking
Yeah,
process.
exactly.
Okay.
So we'll just wait for the pan to get hot.
Yep.
Right here. And then... So we'll just want it to like brown over.
Love that sound. Love that smell.
Yeah.
Wow.
So we seasoned it before we put it in.
Salt and pepper?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, that was quick. Wow.
Did I leave it too soon?
So good.
So we'll just brown it on all sides.
Yep. And that's a trick as well, right? Brown it on all sides.
Yeah.
Just to make sure you've sealed it in.
Exactly.
Oh man, it smells magical.
So we want it to reach 58 for medium rare.
Okay.
So that's good to go in the oven now.
Okay.
So we pop it in.
I love it, pan and all.
Yeah, easy. So now we'll do 4 minutes
4
on
minutes.
the timer.
Oh, so quick.
Yeah.
Cooking, hungry. Wow.
Okay, so we'll just rest it on the block.
Okay. And that was a very, very quick cooking process.
Yes. All you have to do is put that in the oven
Yep.
5 minutes.
Yep.
And then just have it with some salad or,
Yep.
or tzatziki.
Tzatziki, exactly.
So
Perfect. So this is it. This is simple.
and then I guess we can just dip it in the
Dip it in.
tzatziki.
Hands on.
Yeah, what do you reckon?
Yeah. Magic. That is a perfect marriage right there. It's like something cold and fresh,
Yeah.
and the salt and the fat and the
I love
the
the
rareness
fat.
of that. Yeah, me too. So, and I love it. I love it. And thank you. Thank you
No
for
worries.
thank you
Thanks
for
for coming.
teaching me a lot today,
You're welcome.
letting me experience what you do at Bootles. At the end of the day, also trying a fantastic dish.
No, thank you for
Wonderful.
coming and being part of it.
Yeah. Awesome. Shall we have one more?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh man.
Good.
MLA gave me insight into the quality of Australian lamb. And Angharad from Bootles really opened my eyes into how a butcher plays their part in this process. But what's next? Well, the maestro of the kitchen, the chef. So join me in the next episode where a chef takes the reins and shows me how he transforms lamb into an art form.
Okay, good.
Oh yeah, front leg back.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Ready? Are you...
I feel like I'm not helping enough.
That's all right. You want to get your hands dirty?
I'll help hold the table.
Thank you.
I feel like I'm doing something.
Yeah.
Do you need a bigger knife? And
That was a big dip.
that-